Yesterday, human skeletons were discovered by two mountaineers on Aletsch Glacier. While hiking in a very little visited area, they found not only human bones but also dated climbing equipment, binoculars, wooden walking sticks, and even a wallet containing coins from the 1920s. At the moment, it is believed that those are the remains of three brothers who went missing 86 years ago while hiking.
From historical witnesses, we know that the men vanished between the refuge and Concordiaplatz. However, the skeletons were found more than 10 kilometers downhill, on the tongue of the Aletsch Glacier. To explain such a discrepancy, one has to understand the glacial behavior. Since the mountaineers vanished high up on the mountain, their bodies were quickly covered by snow and sank right down under the accumulation of ice. Because the ice moves slowly under gravity like a viscous fluid, the bodies were then taken into the flow of ice and transported downstream. By moving downward, the bodies finally entered a region on the glacier dominated by melting, such that they naturally moved back up to the surface. In order to reconstruct the path followed by the bodies from 1926 to 2012, one needs a complex physical model that can reproduce the trajectory of any ice particle in the glacier. On the one hand, the velocity of the ice is computed by solving equations known from fluid mechanics. Here, the arrows represent the direction and the distance the ice moves. On the other hand, one uses climate data to compute the ice accumulation or melting at the surface of the glacier. By computing simultaneously the motion, the accumulation, and the melting of ice, one can reconstruct the past evolution of the glacier. Most interestingly, one can follow the trajectories taken by any individual ice particle. This can also be done backwards in time. Starting from the place where the skeletons of the mountaineers were found, the trajectories within the ice can be calculated until the last location of the group in 1926. On this map, one can see the last location of the group in 1926. As a matter of fact, this is not on the usual path between Concordiaplatz, the target of the mountaineers, and the refuge, but 1 kilometer north. On the other hand, historical witnesses reported sudden snowfalls in the afternoon of the 4th of March 1926. In conclusion, we can state with a large certainty that the mountaineers became disoriented in the poor weather conditions and then froze to death.